Guys, in this video we will see how to fix if picture thumbnails not showing on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of issue, picture thumbnails not showing on your file explorer, then here are the fixes. Open Windows Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key, and here go to View tab from the top menu bar. Click on a small icon and make sure that three options: extra large icons and medium icons. You have to select any one of them, either extra large icons or medium icons. Make sure that these three items are selected. The second one is go to the problematic folder having issues, select it, click on three horizontal dot and choose options. A new window will open, folder options. Here go to view from the top menu bar and make sure that always show icons never thumbnails item is unchecked. If you found it checked, uncheck this option and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is again open File Explorer Windows and here go to your problematic app, select it, click on three horizontal dot and choose options again. Here from the top menu bar go to view and at the bottom of the page you will find the option restore defaults. Click on it and finally apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your picture thumbnail showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to Windows search and type system properties and choose view advanced system settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Here under top menu bar go to advanced. Under performance section click on settings. A new window will open. Here from the top menu bar go to visual effects. Thereafter available menu, make sure that so save taskbar thumbnail previews is unchecked and show thumbnails instead of icons checked. So save taskbar thumbnails preview unchecked, make unchecked, and show thumbnails instead of icons should be checked. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes and check whether picture thumbnails showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to Windows search and type disk cleanup, clear thumbnail caches. Open disk cleanup. Here select the drive you want to clean up where your system files exist. Make C drive, click on OK and a new window will open. Disk cleanup for Windows C drive. Here make the check against option thumbnail and finally click on OK. It will clear thumbnail caches from your system. A new pop-up window appear or are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? Click on OK and check whether picture thumbnail showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. Here type gpedit.msc. It will open local group policy editor in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here from the left side of menu, go to user configuration section and expand administrative templates and select start menu and taskbar. Thereafter go to right side and available list. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option, go to bottom of the page, turn off taskbar thumbnails. Apply a double click on it to open its properties. A new properties windows will open and make sure that this option is disabled. If you found not configured or enabled, so choose disabled and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether picture thumbnails on your Windows 11 and 10 system showing or not. If not, update your Windows with latest update. Right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to Windows Update. Thereafter, go to right side and click on check for updates. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of thumbnail not showing. That's all.